Hi guys, welcome to another lesson. It's me again, Kwesi, with Mark. Thanks again for joining us, Mark.
Yeah, thanks again for joining us. Today is also another day, a wonderful day.
Yes. So we hope everyone is fine. It's been a hectic week, and we're here for some translations, right? So a couple of people sent things through, and we're going to start with those. But for those that have joined us, if you want to send anything through, please put in the comment section, and we'll let you translate those live. So let's start with today's first translation. Okay, let me just quickly check. The first person that wanted us to translate something was Afare. So what Afare wanted to know was how did he react to the news? I think, Mark, I'll give you this one.
Okay. How did he react to the news?
Yeah.
Of akasamu saying.
Okay.
You know, when we say offer, it's more like how did he take the news, or how did he take the message, or how did he take whatever you presented to the person. It means that something happened. You know, so he said offer akasamu saying, how did he take the message?
Okay.
So in other words, it means how did he react to the news? And like the second one also said offer akasamu saying.
Yeah.
In some, it means it's more like news.
Yeah.
It's more like people gossiping about you. It's more like people talking about you. It's also news one way or the other.
Yeah.
You know, so I said offense and some they say the way people are talking,
Yeah.
the way people are talking about that thing or the news.
Yeah.
That's why we put it together. We say, okay, offer akasamu no saying.
Okay.
And I say offer akasamu no saying.
Oh wow.
So that is why we have these two.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Then I think that's all from Afare. I thought Afare had more. All right, Afare, I hope that was beneficial. Thanks again, guys. The next person that wanted something translated was Daniel. So Daniel wanted to know what as if, or what is as if in Chi.
Ase. You know, as if. So in this case, as an example, let's say he's behaving as if he's the victim. I remember we once said something like that. So Oyeno who said, you know, then that in this case the set is like more like, so ase or no na, as an example, ase or no na yaya ne boni. Let me put it that way. Ase or no na yaya ne boni, meaning as if or as though he's the one who has been offended, or is the one who is the victim of that particular circumstance.
Oh, 100%.
Yes.
Afare, I hope that was beneficial, and Mark actually explained it well. So the other thing that Daniel, the other thing that Daniel wanted to know was what is Ɔbaa no saying in Chi? So the first that Daniel actually wrote wasn't sure. So we thought, you know what, we think he was trying to say Ɔbaa no saying, which in Chi could be, how did it come about? I'm not sure if we can expand on that.
Yeah, Ɔbaa no saying, how did it come about? As an example, let's say maybe two people are fighting, as an example, you know, and now you want to know how did all these things come about? Why are these people fighting? Or why are these people quarreling? Or whatever you want to put it. So then you will ask them, Ɔbaa no saying,
okay,
you know, how did all these things come about?
Yeah. Okay.
You know, or if it is not fighting, let's say maybe you came to a particular point and you want to know how did the person come to that particular point. As an example, maybe you have a friend who possibly now is behaving crazy or behaving like a mad person. You are wondering, how did it come about? Because possibly there would have been signs to tell you that this person is getting crazy. Maybe the person will start, there will be loneliness, maybe there will be depression. You know, it goes through a process. You don't just become mad out of the blue, become mad. So in that case, you said that Ɔbaa no saying, how come he got to this that we never realized that he was coming to this particular point? You know, so you say Ɔbaa no saying.
100%. Yeah. Thank you so much. Let's do this one. Then somebody wrote something in the comment section. Then we'll probably look at the comment section. So this one was still from Daniel, and Daniel was asking, someone passed away. So I think this one we had a discussion earlier, and I'll ask Mark to actually, because he had different ways of putting this. So I asked him not to go into all of it. Okay, so the first two are literally the most common one, or one of them is actually the most common one, which is behuu, which is somebody's dead, right? Then behwee, which is somebody's basically dead, but they're basically out of it. So we see that as somebody who passed on. Yeah. And the other ones you were mentioning,
it's just like what you've seen that someone passed away. You know, it's more, how do I say, it's a mild way of telling someone that someone is dead.
Yeah, true.
Because literally you would have said, oh, someone is dead. Or someone kicked the bucket. You know, when you say someone kicked the bucket, it's just like saying someone passed away.
Yeah.
So when you say behuu, that means someone is dead.
Yeah.
Behwee, someone is out of it or out of this life.
Yeah.
Or you can say ordinary achrebain.
Oh.
When you say ordinary achrebain, literally it means that it's like you are now looking at the wall. It's like he has turned and is looking at the wall. And of course, if you are looking at the wall, you don't see it. You only see the wall or a blank something. So you can say, ordinary achrebain. The moment you hear people say ordinary achrebain, it means the person has passed away or has passed on.
Okay, I didn't know that.
In the same way, the person can say oko nananumun same.
Okay, yes.
You know, that means he's gone to join the ancestors.
Yeah.
Which literally means that the person has passed away.
Yeah.
Passed on.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for sharing.
This one I think we do for now.
Thank you for sharing. Okay, let's go to the comment section. Let's see who said what. Muhammad, thank you. It's a very good friend of mine. He says he loves our streams and lessons. They're very simple and easy to understand, and you make them fun. And you got this. Thanks, bro. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. Thank you. And the next person that needed something was Josiah. So Josiah wanted to know, sorry guys, when I lean in, I just want to read properly because my eyes aren't that good. So Josiah is saying, Mark and Kwesi, Eric was saying, okay, we are fine. How are you doing? Two translations, right? Kobina.
Increase the volume, but not too loud.
Okay, okay, it sounds as if we've said this before. You can say increase the volume. Increase would be volume. Do we have a word for volume?
No, so volume in this context, like they are being no kesiye.
Yes.
You know, because if you say P.
Yes.
So when you say kesiye, it means little bit louder or a little bit bigger or a little bit up. You want it to go a little bit up. So in that case, you say that increase the volume. As an example, if it is song, so be a nyomono, you know, be a nyomono kakra. That means increase the volume. Then, like you said, they are not too loud. Not too big or not too loud. Or P.
Yes.
Not too noisy. So in other words, you can put it kobina buenyum kakra, but nyepi.
100%.
Or you can say, oh, buenyum kakra, but enye dede pi.
Hundreds.
And I say buenyum kakra, kakrebi.
Yes.
You can say kakrebi.
Or buenyum kakrebi.
Simple.
Yeah, simple. That will solve your thing. So I hope Josiah, that was good enough. Then Josiah also wanted to know, what is the meaning of this? Literally, what is the meaning of this? Diebeni is what's this? What's the meaning of this? Would be,
for instance, this may be something.
Yes.
So I deal with asichren, say, because when you say asichren, meaning.
Yes.
So what's the meaning of this? So this thing, as an example, idea asichren is saying
hundreds.
So this particular thing, what's the meaning of it? So the person wants to know what the meaning of that particular thing.
Okay, cool. And Josiah wanted to know, okay, I think that is what we just said right now. Yay, Afare, thanks for joining. I hope you got your translation right. Thanks again, guys, for all your comments. Really, really appreciate it. And I think we stopped at Daniel's, the passed away one. So now Daniel wanted to know what was Ekwabe Suna Wobaso. I think this one we were having a debate.
Yeah, so I think there's one thing I was supposed to add to it.
Yeah.
Ekwabe Suna Woba. So it's supposed to be double R.
Okay, cool.
So
guys, sorry, I just need to edit that.
Yeah.
So let's do this. I like the fact we can edit on the fly. Sweet.
So how did you come on it?
Yeah.
So, like we said, how did you come on it? It could be that, let's say, okay, let's say this YouTube thing.
Yeah.
As an example. As an example.
Yeah.
Or maybe TV station. So then you are wondering, how did this one came? How did this one come on this show?
Yeah.
Or come on the screen or something like that. So you just want to know how the procedure. How did the person come on that day?
Okay, all right.
That's one version of it.
Okay, cool.
So now, how did you come on it, or how did you come about getting to that particular level or that particular state?
Okay,
so now,
100%.
And I remember we were, like you said, we were deliberating on it.
Yes,
and we said we can say, as an example, wabasu.
Yeah.
It's also in two ways, you understand? Wabasu, you are on it. Like this one.
Yes.
Wabasu, you are on it. Yes. Now you are on YouTube.
Yes.
So Waba,
YouTube.
So
yes,
as an example.
100%.
In the same way, when you tell someone Wabasu,
it's almost as if when you become of age,
yeah, you want to,
it's like
you think you're old, you're matured now.
Yeah, it's like you're full of yourself. Then one would say Kwesi Wabasu, as a Wabasu. It's like Kwesi seen as if I want to say you're full of yourself, but it's almost as if you're arrogant, like you're full of yourself. So Wabasu, yes, that could also mean that as well.
Say Wabasu. Mostly, and sometimes we even used to refer to kids, when they are growing up, when, especially when they become teenagers, you see, you always think that they will always behave like the babies that they are, or the kids that
they were.
You used to know them. So now when they start behaving funny or doing stuff, they're like, akusia.
No, that's true. That's true. Yeah.
But in this context, it's not about you have come on.
No.
But it means that you are trying to behave like a mature person.
Yes, 100%.
Something like that.
100%. Daniel, I hope that made more sense. I know we kind of diversified everything. We gave you different scenarios, but I hope that actually fits one of yours, right? Then let's do one more and check the comment section. So Daniel also wanted to find out what obi timasie. Okay. So obi timasie is, does someone understand me?
Let me put it this way. See, you know why I'm laughing? Those times when we were growing up, we used to play with these kind of words.
Okay.
Like this, literally.
Okay, literally.
When you look at it, obitimasie.
Somebody's sitting under. Somebody's
someone is
sitting under you.
Like really?
Yeah.
That's why I was laughing. Said that literally is like.
But funny enough, that's how English is. If you say understand, it's basically saying somebody's standing under you.
Imagine.
You see, understand.
Stand again. Like really?
So somebody
can usually under and at the same time standing.
So I guess we tried. Oh man. Okay, comment section. Let's see who said what. Afare. Let's see. Cool. So Afare said, "How would we say?" Sorry, guys. How would we say it's shaped like a fish in tree? It's shaped like a fish. Okay, but fish will be nam. That we know.
Yeah.
At the end sense, but that
that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, because that's all I'm thinking of. So at the end sense, in nam.
That it's like what do you call it? Fish. Or ayese. It's like
ayese in nam, which will also mean that
the way it looked. We are talking when you say yes, we are talking about how that thing looked like.
Yeah.
So if you are talking about it's shaped, that means it's a particular figure we are looking at. So yes, so it's like it's shaped like you said yourself, like in Sumunam, like a fish.
100%. Yeah. Thank you so much. Then Josiah says, thank you guys. Thank you so much for sending your comments through. Remember, if you guys have anything else, just send it through. Then we're only 15 minutes in. Then what we'll do is we'll translate it live. Let's go back to our translations. Okay.
Before you leave, with the obitimasi, depending on how you take it.
Yeah.
I just want to add something to it.
Yeah.
If you take away the question mark, it becomes a statement. Someone and someone understands me. But this one, if you bring the question, does someone understand me?
Yeah.
It's a question.
Yeah.
But if you take away the question mark, it becomes someone understands me.
So it's like a statement that you're making.
Yeah, so that's how it is.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, Daniel again. So Daniel was, in what way do you want me to do it? All right. So that in be a so now no. Okay. Yeah. A so now no, which is in what way do you want me to do it? Is there another way we can put it?
No, I think this one will do for now.
Okay, cool.
So saying now no.
You can say that again.
Yeah,
saying, which is
how do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah. 100%. Then the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, bring me that remote.
I remember I saw this one.
Bring me that remote. I don't know why there's an I there. Let me quickly sort that out. I think it's a typo. So yes, let's come back. Bring me that remote. This one, I'll let you go for it.
Yeah. Remote. When we're growing up, we didn't have a remote. It is, somehow we say abefu. It is a foreign thing to us.
Okay, cool.
It's abefu. It's something foreign. So it's more like a borrowed word, like how we put it. Facade remote. It's a borrowed word. For remote, so I'll take this particular remote. So bring me that remote. Facade remote to know breme. Bring me that remote, or bring me that remote, or facade remote, like you said, no mommy. Bring me that remote, or take that remote and give it to me. I was even telling you the other day that because in Tree you are allowed to use expression to explain some stuff. You can even say fasa fidie na ema. How do I even put it?
It was changed.
Fasa assistant fidie mame. You understand? Which would have been that the device that we use to change channels or to change something. You can give it to me. So that
will imply
it could imply that fasa is a fidie mame.
Which could mean remote because the device used to change things. Then the next thing that Daniel wanted to know, I hope, Daniel, you're happy with these translations, is why didn't you get it for me? Which is adentina wanya mami. Wanjia mami. Sorry, I didn't see that properly.
Sorry, let me just come back to before.
Okay, cool.
It's just like here in South Africa, you say fakalas on the mami. Here they say bring me when they are speaking their language, like glass, like maybe a mug or maybe a cup or something like that. You hear them say fakalas. Them the G they say so fakalas and glass and mami. In that case, glass, of course, is a borrowed word. I remember I don't know of Tonga, but there was a time at work I was asking this question. I asked it, how do you say rice in their language?
Rice.
They said rice. You see, you have also fallen into my trap.
Here I am saying we don't.
You see, you have fallen into my trap.
It's rice.
I asked them, so how do you say rice in your language? Whether it's Zulu, Sutu, or Pedi or Tonga or they say rice. I said
it's borrowed.
Even the Africans will say race.
Yeah.
So some way somehow it's like the borrowed word. I kept on asking, rice is English. Can you please give me
as
in your
funny
language?
enough, we have
We have. They asked me.
We have.
They asked me. I said, yeah, we have. He said,
yeah, we have rice. We have rice in tree. We do.
So in Tonga, how do you say rice?
It's rice. Not rice. Rice.
Right.
It stretches.
So it's just like what we say, Facade remote.
Yes.
In as much as we know, remote is an English word.
Yes, 100%.
It's been borrowed. That's why we don't actually we didn't bring the E, but it's an O. Remote.
Okay.
Now we are talking about the remote.
Yeah, 100%. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm back here. Why didn't you get it for me? I think I already said it.
I didn't know.
Mami. Why?
No, I think you said I didn't know.
Mami. Yes.
Yeah.
Why didn't you get it for me?
Why? Well, let me see. What is it? Why didn't you get it for me? I didn't know. You were supposed. I didn't know. Mami.
Yeah, it's fine.
Or I didn't know. Mami. This one he said. I didn't know. Mami.
Yeah.
Why? It's also fine because why will you not get it for me?
You see now that if you put, why will you not
get it for me?
Yes.
When you put it that way,
yes,
it means I didn't know. Mami. So why didn't you get it from me? I didn't know. Mami. Why didn't you get it from me?
Yeah.
But in this case, why didn't you get it? Did it? It's past.
Yeah.
So it will be I didn't know. Mami. Meaning, why didn't you get it for me?
100%.
If you say I didn't see that mami, why will you not get it for me? You know, because there are so many ways of putting. Let's say maybe I'm going to town and you want me to take something for you, collect something for you. I can say I didn't see that mami. Like this one.
Yeah, simple.
I didn't say, why would you not take it for me? Why didn't you get it for me? Another data, wanji. So in this case, wanji mami. That's how we will put it.
Thank you so much. Then the next thing is Daniel again asking, listen, I won't go. Oh, tie minko. Is there any way?
Listen, tie. I won't go. Minko. So it's telling the person tie minko.
That's about it. There's no other. There's no other way. Then this one was interesting. This one was interesting, which was I will slap you if you say that to me again, which is broken down into two, which is Mabo assume se Wokasa kyerɛ me bioa. Yeah, Mabo assume se Wokasa kyerɛ me bioa. Yeah, I like the way you emphasize that one.
You know, it's a violent word.
Yeah.
So, you know, it carries weight.
Yeah.
I will slap you. I will slap you.
Oh, God.
So, that means if you
say that
again to me, or you tell me that same thing again, I will slap you.
No, 100%.
So in this case, I will slap you if you say that to me again. That means I will slap you.
Okay, I feel the passion in that one.
It means that what the person is telling you is that the person is insulting you, or maybe you are not happy about what the person told you.
Yeah.
So you in turn want to retaliate some way, somehow.
Yeah.
So it's a meboasu.
And the second one
is a seoka. It's the same thing.
The same thing. Yeah.
Seoka sachre mi bio meboasu. If you say that thing to me again, or if you say that to me again, I'll slap you. Yeah. So it's the same thing. Yeah.
100%. Let's do this one. Then I'm not sure if you have proverbs.
Yeah.
Okay.
I only wrote two, but I know there are so many things that will go out.
No, that's fine. Let's do this one. Then we'll do the proverbs. Then we'll continue the lesson. Guys, remember, if there's anything you want us to translate, please send it through and we'll do the live translation. I think Daniel wanted us to finish off, I think, the last 2 minutes of his song. The Dada Butantim one. Then
that man must come to us.
Yeah, no, we are really thanks to Daniel, we are actually helping a friend out. Let's call it that.
Yeah, and the song is powerful.
It is. But just in case, some of the words might be repeating because it's repetitive. So just beware. Okay, the next one before our proverb is my father went out but didn't tell me for what. And that in Chi, I know Mark, the two of them.
So let me read it. Say me papa epwe Nansu wanka adekruntia.
100%.
So my father went out, but didn't tell me for what. You know, maybe someone came to look for your father.
Yeah.
So he said, "Oh, if I pay, nansu wanka adekruntia." I didn't tell me where
the reason why he went out.
Or the second one, I said, "Me papa epwe nansu wanka dientia." He didn't tell me why he went out. So basically, that's the two ways
one can actually say that.
100%.
Let's go with proverb. Let's take a break before we do Lionel's translations. Then I think it's Lionel's translations. Then we have Zane's translation. So cool. We have two more people. So we can do proverbs now.
Yeah. Actually, I had some that the reason why there were some of them I just wrote them just not to forget was because I was listening to this interview. I was listening to this song by Ali Baba, and he said that Abuano huma beye yentina etio kaniti.
Okay, I'm hearing. Abuano huma beye.
That's I have to say that I will not forget at least. So that when I look at it, I'll be able to remember that he said something like Abuano huma beye abuano.
The animal's rope.
No, that is not rope. There are two ways of saying huma. Huma. No, they're not a huma. Huma.
Oh, the skin. I was hearing what do you call
huma, which is the book.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So it says
skin. Yes.
Abuano huma.
Okay.
Beye intina etu kaniti.
Okay, I'm hearing the gun stuck in his head. So okay, let's hear it.
You know, yeah, we will learn a lot of proverbs. Don't worry, guys.
Yeah. No.
So Abuano beye intina.
No huma.
I say Abuano huma beye intina etu no kaniti. As an example, let me put it this way. Let's say in the palace, as an example, you know, in palace in the Ashanti Kingdom, as an example, maybe two first place. We've got drums, we've got those kind of stuff that we play, you know, and we use the skin of animals to do that. You understand? So he said, Abuano huma beye intina ekaniti. So in that case,
shot the head.
If you are to go kill that animal for that drum, you are supposed to shoot the head, not
because they will destroy the.
So the moment you shoot the body, that means it's not gonna be good for the drum again. Because the moment they skinned, or is it a skin? Yeah, the moment they skin the animal, you will not be able to get the skin for that drum. That's why I said Abuano huma beye yentina.
Kaniti, yes. Oh wow.
So it must actually you must target the head and not the body. So in other words, it's a lesson to us, you know, that let me put it this way. You are very important. You understand? In life, you are very important. Things can happen in life. And so far as it didn't touch you, it means that you are of much importance. You know, yes, the head is good, but we can't use the head for the drum. It is the skin that can be used for the skin. So don't worry. If you didn't die today, that means there are better things coming your way.
100%.
So don't worry. That's why we are giving that proverb today. And as when he said, "Mam pama na swesi, eyen tuntumu, tuntumu hinti."
Oh my God.
Oh, we are learning. Don't worry, guys. We will learn more. Don't worry.
Sorry for laughing. So basically, okay, mampam is a snake.
No, mampam is an alligator.
Mampam is an alligator.
Yeah, it's not a snake.
I thought.
Mampam is an alligator.
I thought it was a specific snake. Flip. Okay, that one would have got me. So mampam, okay, we get it. So it's deaf because of hatred of the mosquito.
Yeah. Why are you laughing? Yes. Because he wanted to, you know, he wanted to just kill that mosquito because you know the mosquito is making noise in the ear. You understand? Then so you ended up becoming there because of that mosquito. So he said, it's just like the same proverb when they say, in fact, how do you say that? Ɛhefa once now embiri ukru.
Okay, I get it. Because the next thing, then you reopen your wound.
Ɛhefa once now embiri ukru. What it means that you see, you saw the flies all over you, and because you are angry, it's making noise. It's trying to kind of sting you, or just to. And then
as you in the village, right, when people are wounded. It's not like in town where there are plasters, or sometimes they leave the wound open, and the instance of flies will actually sit on the wound. So once, as Mark said, don't take out your frustration or your anger,
on the house fly.
Yes, to reopen your wound or re-injure yourself. I don't know how to.
Yeah. So it's more basically it's life. It's life lessons. No proverbs are life lessons. You may hate someone so much that you want to wound that person, or you want to hurt that person, but you end up hurting your own self. It's the same thing that happens. It's the same thing that happened to the alligator trying to hit the mosquito. He ended up becoming deaf.
No, that's a good proverb.
And the same thing, you want to kill that housefly because you think that it's making so many noise and just touching you. Then you are trying to hit it, and you end up hitting your own wound.
And this one is a true story. My wife will actually attest to this, right? I think it was 3 months ago. I was eating. Then I was just sitting on the floor. There are days I just want to sit on the floor because I feel comfortable sitting on the floor when I eat, right? So when I was eating, I saw a fly. Then instead of slapping it like this, right? So my hand, instead of hitting the floor like this finger actually went like this. And it bent like that. Then I just screamed, and my wife put a Band-Aid on it. We went to the clinic actually. Sorry. It was swollen for a month. You see these two, you see here when I show you, this one is not as skinny as that one. This portion here is bigger. So it took a couple of months for this finger to work. I thought it would never work again because it couldn't bend. It was like that.
So that means you took, like you say, you took your frustration on the house fly, on the flower. You ended up hurting your own self.
Almost broke a finger.
So in life, someone may offend you, yes. In life, we always say that even the teeth and the tongue, they always fight. Everybody always fight.
That's true.
No matter how it is, there will be some fights, one or two things. But you just have to be calm. When situation come your way, don't vent your frustration on someone. You may end up hurting yourself, or possibly because you are angry. You kind of say a lot of words. I'm advising everyone, maybe in marriage, maybe
true.
You try to kind of vent out your words, whatever. By the time you are done, you realize that you have actually caused a lot of emotional stress to someone. But now you have come back to your senses, but the damage
goes away.
The damage has already been done. There's a saying that maybe I say we could do
no, you can't.
Understand? So how far someone can destroy you to a particular level, you can never redeem yourself to that level at which the person may have actually destroyed you or damaged you, or better still destroy you to people.
No, that's true.
So I think these two things we do. Mampam way, so have it in mind. Mampam ana swesi the number two was abuano huma beye yintina etuo kaniti. And let me add this thing to it. And I think the Bampam, we also said that Ɛhefa, what do you call it? When he embry.
Yes.
I think we said that. So at least we got something to it. And I want to add this to it that enam edua so na ahoma na what do you call it? Ahoma humusoro. Enam edua so na ahoma ehumusoro.
Okay.
So how would you say it in English?
So enam diaso.
Yeah, it is through the tree that the rope
sees the sky.
Gets to the sky.
Okay.
So in that case, let's say maybe there are two trees as an example. You will use the rope. You will tie this one here and you tie this one here. If there's no trees, there's no way that rope can ever get to the sky.
That's what.
How is it gonna do it? It can't stand on its own.
Okay, cool.
So it needs the tree to be able to get to the top. So diasuna ahoma humusoro. So in other words, people you meet, you must treat everyone well. whoever you meet, whoever you see, because it is through someone that you can get to the top.
That's true.
That's how life is.
That is.
You cannot do it alone.
No.
You will need someone. You can't just get to the top. So whoever you see, whether at work, I used to tell people that, you know what, we've got cleaners, we've got maybe other people. You must respect each and everyone's job.
Never know.
You will never know. Maybe it's through that person that you will get your breakthrough. You know, it's just like what in the Bible. What happened? Abraham. When Abraham saw the two strangers, were they 2 or 3? He took them in and he fed them. But they he told them, or they told him that, you know what, by this year or by next year, by this time, Sarah will conceive.
So through his kindness,
through his kindness, he never knew that they were what? They were angels. You understand? So it's through someone that you will get there. So whoever you meet,
treat them with respect.
Even if you are at the top there, don't forget.
No,
it is someone's hard work
that possibly
got you there,
or at least helped you there. I think what I'll do is when this video literally goes out, I'll ask Mark to actually send me the proverbs. So every live session, there'll be a section for proverbs, and you guys can actually go and you'll probably find the meaning. So I'll probably ask you for the meaning as well. So that'll be beneficial for everyone. Let's go to comment section, then we'll continue with our translations. Boom. Julian wants to know, can you please translate what?
Muntintim.
I couldn't see that. Okay.
Muntintim.
Yeah.
I think we have said this thing before, like the song that we want to go. That
yes.
So we said it's like be established.
Yes.
Or be strong. You're trying to tell someone be strong, meaning that you should have strength.
Yeah.
Muntintim. You should be, it's like being established or being stable or being grounded. At a particular, being grounded at a particular place. So I think the right word, being grounded. Be grounded in that particular thing that you are doing. So it's a muntintim.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mark. Julian, I hope that's great. Then Daniel, finally, Daniel is here. Hey guys, can you guys translate the rest of? Don't worry, Daniel. It's in the schedule. We'll do it. Don't worry, but thanks for joining. We really appreciate it. And let's see, Afare, can you please translate "Don't step on the mud"? In what's mud? Ateche. Ntira ateche also. Or how can I put it?
Even you can use the word inside ntri, where you say ntira ateche.
Oh, okay. So
it's like basically don't step on the mud. Or don't step in the mud.
So ntira ateche. That's actually better because you literally step into. Yeah. So that Faray, that would be ntira ateche. Yeah. Thank you so much. And Daniel, we're getting to your song. That'll be the last one, so don't worry. It's coming. Just stay tuned. Then let's see. Oh, we're still okay. Today's lesson is actually very intuitive. Okay, cool. Let's do it. Lionel wanted to know how to say put the phone down and go to bed. You talk too much. I can't even remember this translation. Which is it's akasa. That would be a full. Okay, cool. So for akasamu tufom tuho nakoda wokasa dodo. Okay, cool.
Akasamu tuho na wokasa nakoda. Go and sleep.
Now, Wokasa dodo, you talk too much.
And some people can say, that's why we always say we have borrowed words. Let's say phone. Like phone.
Yeah.
Or say telephone. I say telephone. That means talking about telephone.
Oh.
You understand? So you can say akasamu. I believe you've heard it before. Yeah, he's talking about the phone. Yeah, but akasamu,
there's something you speak into. Hence it's a phone. 100%. Then the next thing that Lionel wanted to know was, where have you been all day?
Sorry, and telephone. In the olden days, we also say that what do you call it? How can I forget? It came in mind and I wanted to put it across.
Akasamu or something.
Akasatrofo.
Yes, akasatrofo. Yes,
akasatrofo. When you say trofo, it means someone is lying. It's a liar, but they said akasatrofo. we are talking about.
It makes you lie.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Of course, it makes you lie.
Yeah. True.
Maybe
true.
you are there. Where
I'm
are
here.
you? Said,
I'm here.
I'm on my way. But it's lying.
Yeah. True.
There.
True. True. Oh yeah. Did you do this one? Oh yeah. Mark, you want to go for this one?
Yeah.
Where have you been all day?
Ɛhefa na wowɔ damuu nyinaa. Ɛhefa na wowɔ damuu nyinaa. Where have you been the whole day?
Yeah.
Damuu. That means you're talking about the whole day. So damuu nyinaa.
100%. Then this one. Whew. This one was, she came here purposefully to see you and to see us. Thank you. My eyes nowadays, I think I need glasses, or my brain just completes sentences for me. She came here purposely to see us, and I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4 variations.
So many ways of putting it. So many ways.
Let me take the first one, which is Ɔbaa behuu pɔtee. Okay, pɔtee. So Ɔbaa behuu pɔtee. So the person came here to see us specifically.
Yeah.
Which is basically
purposely. Just because of
us. Yes. Do you want to do the second one?
So Ɔbaa pɔtee behuu.
Yeah.
He came here purposely or specifically for us, or to come and see us.
Yes.
They said Ɔbaa, he came here pɔtee specifically or purposely. Behuu, to see yen is us.
Yes.
So Ɔbaa pɔtee behuu yen.
Yeah.
He came purposely to see us. For whatever reason, I don't know.
Yeah. Then the next one is, so I'll take 2, Mark will take 2. Is Ɔbaa pɔtee bɛhwehwɛɛ. So Ɔbaa, the person came here. Pɔtee is particularly or purposefully or specifically. Bɛhwehwɛɛ is to look for. Then yen is us. So basically, the person came here purposely to look for us, which is basically to see us, in short. Then do you want to go for the last
one? I said Ɔbaa pɔtee ntira. That means she came here purposely because of us, which means that she came here purposely to see us. We are the reasons why the person came here.
Before we get to Zane's comments, let's do, Zane's translation. Let's do comments. Daniel, hi guys, can you translate? Okay, so Daniel wants to know, sorry guys, my eyes, I need to lean forward. Hi guys, can you translate what? La baby means?
Kababy. It also means that it's also
because I'm seeing la.
It also comes to the one that he said the person passed away. Wakababy.
Yeah,
also, so that's why I was telling you that time. There are so many ways you can put it, to put it mildly.
Okay, no worries, Daniel. Now I see what you wrote. So kababy means the person has passed on. Yeah. But literally, kababy means stuck somewhere. Literally. But it implies the person has passed on. Yes. So let's go to Zane's translation. This one, I just pasted it as it was, because usually what happens is then we edit what we think, or we edit the translations. But this one, no editing, so it's as it is. So cool. So Zane wanted to know what this is. Udoyi yensa. What?
Maybe he wanted to say Udoyi yensa. I don't know. Maybe.
You see, that's the thing. Okay. Let's.
Maybe wanted to say Udoyi yensa.
Yeah, that's the most logical one.
Udoyi yensa.
So
that means your love will never finish.
Yeah. So it's everlasting.
Everlasting.
Yeah. Your love is everlasting or to never finish. Then the next thing that Zane, how do you pronounce that?
Yeah,
Zane?
Maybe Zany.
I don't know how to pronounce. Guys, forgive me if I'm saying
it's a
wrong.
silent H.
You know, you never know.
Zane.
What? Minubia. What? Oh, okay. See, now we
need to try. So like this, maybe we are only trying to see what the person is trying to say. Maybe he said Mini Obia.
You see,
I'm only using it to kind of, it's like a compliment of the first one when he said, my love doesn't end, my love is forever. Then you come back to say that me newbie, I don't have anyone. So you don't have anyone. So you are my love. You are my love forever. Okay. Because I don't have anyone.
100%.
So you are my one and only.
Yeah. So we are assuming this is Miniobia. That's what we're assuming. I hope that zany, it's actually what you were asking. Then the other one is anidaso, is basically how can I put this? Many doubts. It's like I'm depending on you.
There are so many ways.
So that's the thing.
Yeah, you can say, like you said, it can be hope. It can be faith.
Yes.
Is faith. The same way you can say it's hope, because hope and faith they intertwine. And it's basically almost the same, just that one looks like, how would I put it, major, and someone is minor, but it's still almost the same thing. So it's hope, or it's your faith.
Many doubts. It's like my hope is in you. Yeah, you're right. You're 100% right.
My hope is in you. But my faith, I have faith in you. Yeah, many doubts.
Yeah,
my faith is in you. My hope is in you.
100%. Somebody put some in the comment section. Daniel again. Daniel wants to know, and also we and also free.
You see, I think like what we were saying, sometimes we write it wrongly, one way or the other, because he wanted to say woo. I think that's what he wanted to say.
Woo, as in
woo died.
Oh,
so for instance, you can say maybe Kwame woo, meaning Kwame died. So in that case, you don't bring the ye, which is the y. So in this case, you can say maybe woo as an example. It will be where oo. Then you bring that a, which is that e. Then you bring the air. So it's a woo.
So it will be wue and air.
Yes, that's woo. Is dead or died. So then free. I think that's what we said it.
We said it before. I think Daniel came late.
Yeah, Obie free means the person is dead, or frimu
is you are out of it. Yeah,
get out of it. Frimu, get out.
But that also implies passed on. Daniel, I hope. Okay, cool. Daniel wants to know. I need to enlarge this for me to see. What and can you guys explain what pe means? All the meaning,
or at least some.
Okay, it all depends. If you say me pe, it's I want, right? Or I like. I was going to say me pe. I'm like, it all depends, because I want you is a bit okay. Well, yes, me pe is I like you, or me pe say I want to. I'm thinking of words we can use pe.
Me per se, like you said, I want to. I like you.
I like you.
Me pe fufu.
I like fufu.
Yeah.
Pe me, like me. I don't know. I'm trying to.
And you can also say pe, which is perfect. If you want to say something about something is perfect, at the end of the year, pe, meaning that it is perfect.
It's 100%. Yes. Pe can also mean that. Menu pe. Just me and you, just the two of us.
So in this case, pe is just.
Yeah, just. Yeah. Yes. So that can also mean just, like, want,
perfect.
I'm just thinking of words.
But that one is actually a compound word, so it doesn't come in. Okay, I was going to say prepare.
but it's fine. It's fine. Do you want to explain?
What that one doesn't come here.
No, this is just branching off.
Is stingy.
Yes.
When someone is stingy, is it? Oh yeah, meaning the person is stingy. Yeah.
Let me see. Did we finish all the translations? I don't think so. We did Anidasu, right?
Praise.
Oh yeah. So I'm guessing everything here is gospel, like.
Because you can name your child Ayeyi. Praise.
Yeah, because I see, Judah. Yeah, Mini Obia, Anidaso, Ayeyi. What was it again? Nsa.
Udoyi Nsa.
Oh yeah, Udoyi Nsa. So it's what it is, guys. Okay, we have probably how many minutes? Okay, let's do the song. Then, guys, if you guys can, put your comments then we'll take it from there. So we'll probably play the last 26 minutes. So Daniel, we're going to play the last 26 minutes of the song. That'll be the ending of the song. So here is the song now.
What did he say?
Let's go back.
Yeah, someone went to deliver.
Okay.
He went to Obi call Awosu.
Oh, I'm hearing Obi Bawasu. I'm like, what? Okay, so they say Obi.
Is it Obi call Awosu?
Okay.
Oh, someone went to deliver, but never came back. That means the person died was delivering. You know. So,
okay. Did you hear that? Oh, so when he went, when it was his turn, he came back with three sets of twins. Yeah. So people go and don't come back.
Yeah.
When he goes, he comes back with two sets of
twins.
3 sets of twins. Oh, this is funny. I'm glad you can hear, because some of the words I can't hear.
Wow.
My ear, guys, you know what? My eyes and ears. So basically, somebody went and never came back. One son and she, one son. It's the same thing. Okay, so
I said I'll come back again.
Okay, because I didn't hear it properly there. Let me increase the volume a bit. Did you hear that? I see that's something like
what kind of praise?
Okay. Okay, so what thanks must I give unto you? Yeah. Okay. What
kind of praise?
Yeah.
Should I give unto you, God?
Yeah. Okay. What kind of thanks can I give unto God for somebody who is?
So it's more like, what kind of thanks, or how can I thank you?
Yeah,
you know,
God, for blessing me, a person like.
Like you said, when we said it,
oh, somebody goes to
the shrines.
Yeah.
Tisemi.
Yes, because that's what I wanted to hear properly.
Tisemi.
So somebody who likes going to, it depends on which part of the world you're from. So in our case, it would be a sangoma. In West Africa, it would be
going to the shrine, the juju.
Yeah.
Maybe you went to those gods.
That's what you believe in.
You believe it. So if anyone offends you, you go there. In the language, they say kunimami. You want to kill the person, you just go there, you do your stuff.
That's true. Yeah. So now I think with this, he's trying to say he was one of those guys, but now he's found God and he's thankful and he's thanking him. Okay, cool. It's just saying what Jimmy?
Why Jimmy? Yeah.
Oh, he saved me. Yeah.
So you started again here, listen. Back to that.
Oh, of course. Oh man, his love is forever lasting.
Yeah.
It's Tim Hoda is,
like you said, it's grounded. Like
it's grounded. I was going to use you know, when somebody cuts down a tree, right? And basically
the roots.
Yeah, the base of the tree that's grounded.
See, the root is
it's firmly there. That's it right there. So yeah, no,
so
this
I use that word firm.
Yeah.
That's a nice song.
Daniel, I hope you're happy. And we broke down the song for you.
So you say no ye kama pa.
Yes. Which is, the song is very, very, very nice. Well, I added another very, but the song is very nice. Guys, I think we have 5 minutes left. Yes. So please send through whatever you guys want to send through that you want us to translate, and we'll actually do the translation. Then yeah. But I think now we can start wrapping up. Well, I hope everyone is safe and keeping safe. For those that I sent a mail about the lessons, some were asking which time. We decided, you know what, it's best if we decided on 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So that would be South African time, which is GMT +2. So that would be 2 p.m. South African time. But I'll send out a mail again to everyone to tell them the time and see. Some people said they weren't available because it was a funeral.
Okay.
On that date. So I think we just need to speak to them and find out when, maybe when they can actually make it. Then we make some sort of plan.
Yeah, for
them. Either if it's 2, if not, because a funeral, that's a bit sensitive. We can't teach on that day. So we might move it to, I don't know, because weekdays are usually busy. We might move it to the next Saturday, or we'll find a game plan around it. But we'll communicate with those that said they had a funeral.
If that Sunday, as an example, if that Sunday we are doing live, possibly we can do it before.
Yes, 100%.
Maybe an hour before the time. Or
100 minutes. That's actually brilliant. That's actually smart. Or if we want, we can actually do it before our live session.
Okay. Yeah, that's also perfect.
Because we can say 2 o'clock, we do all the tutoring on a Sunday. Then after that, we do our live session.
That's also,
you know what I'm trying. That's also fine, because then we don't have to do Saturday, then do Sunday. Then we just do it on one day. We just do it. Then we do the tutoring. Then after that, we start the lesson. Then they can actually also join and ask whatever they wanted to ask. So I think that's actually a brilliant idea. I think we will do that instead. What else? Mark, do you want to add anything?
Yeah,
we have 7 minutes.
I think we have 2 minutes. We keep telling them they must be safe, with this pandemic. And now that for us, now we are in level 1. I think things are getting better.
Yeah.
Because the last time I checked, the active cases was 31,000. So that means we are getting there. Because I think by that time we're having about, is it 4 million or 5 million? I don't know. But the recovery rate was very high, and the death was 50,000 at that time. That's the last time I checked, some few days ago. Which means that gradually we are getting there. Because the death case was 50,000 at that time. You see, so
and the recovery rate
was 1.4 something.
Yeah, that's good.
Impressive.
That is really impressive. That is really, really impressive. So a bulk, 90% of people, over 90% actually made it. So that's actually good.
So we are getting there.
Yeah.
I just want to tell everyone, I think today's message, Dominion Outreach TV, was saying that time changes.
Okay, cool.
We said time changes. So where you are, you are not going to be there forever.
No.
Time will change for you. Maybe today you don't have, tomorrow you will have.
That's true.
Maybe today you are in the nursery, of course. Tomorrow you may be in the primary grade 1, grade 2, you get to university. So it's life. So I remember last week we said life is a process.
And never stand still.
So never give up. Whatever you're doing, your better days are coming. So if today you are down, tomorrow you are going to be up. So time changes. Yeah, that's what I just want to tell everyone. Because of this pandemic, maybe you were up there and now things have changed and now you are down there. Maybe they cut your salary, maybe they retrench you. It's not going to be like that.
No,
there's hope.
Don't lose hope.
Time will change and you will get there. If
lose
today
hope.
that it looks as if now you don't have any work or you don't have any money or people are looking down on you possibly and all those things, don't worry. Your time will come because time changes.
Yeah. And guys, we just want to add something else, right? I know this channel is mainly here to teach Twi, and we're trying to promote the language, right? But I feel as if we are sort of becoming a family, right? If any of you guys need some sort of prayer or any assistance, you need somebody to talk to, right? Just put it in our comment section. Not in my comment section, just send a mail. I think in one of my videos, there's a mail. Let's do this. I want to do this because it's only right, because I feel as if we're becoming a family, right? Let's do this. Guys, please bear with me. Oh, thank you so much. Then I think, Mark, you can also put yours there.
Okay.
Then what you guys can do is you can email us on this, or email one of us and CC the other one. We don't mind praying for you guys. We don't mind praying for you guys for your well-being. So let it not only be about Twi or learning Twi. We are a family. If you need someone to talk to, send us a mail. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. I didn't see that. Send us an email. Then what we'll do is we'll respond to your mails. Then if you want, we'll actually give a shout out to you in our next, either when I'm doing my normal weekly videos or in our live session, because we all need some voice of encouragement here and there. And guys, as I usually say, please spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi, direct them to this channel. If they like the content, right, they might actually subscribe, or even just watching the channel. You don't have to subscribe. Subscribing would be great, because then we know the number of people subscribe to the channel. But I figured, you know what, I watch a lot of YouTube videos that I don't subscribe to. Funny enough, right? So even if they watch the content, I'm grateful, right? So please spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or find out what Twi is about come to the channel, and hopefully they'll actually subscribe and be part of the family. Because it seems impossible, but let's see what the end of 2021 does. See if we can hit that 10,000. And please go to Mark's channel as well. Please help him get 1,000 subscribers, man. Spread the word as well.
I'm now 70 now.
You know what? We all started there.
You will see somebody, because when I started, I noticed someone also, I don't know what happened, when I was somewhere around 20 or so, someone also created almost the same channel, Dominion Outreach TV. I just look at it, they had only one subscriber. I said that, why this one, is he trying to make people kind of go, but at the long run, the person couldn't succeed. So
it's fine.
I thank God so much for those who have subscribed to my channel, Dominion Outreach TV. Yeah, keep on and let us keep the faith.
Yeah, so please, guys, support him. 1,000 subscribers. Help me push and get 10,000 subscribers. And if you know any Twi speaking channel that want to collaborate, I've sent mails to most of them, but none are responding, because it'd be great if I actually collaborated with other channels just for your benefit. Because in truth, like I said, as it stands, we're not benefiting anything. All we're trying to do is push the language, right? And form some sort of community throughout all of this. So guys, with lots of love from Mark and me, please do take care of yourself. See you next week while I'll be doing my normal translation. Guys, bye.